If you want to free up storage on Google Pixel 10 Pro XL, what you can do is you can open Settings. Next, in Settings, we're gonna go to the storage in here. And of course, here we have the summary of everything that we have on our phone. It is also categorized, so you can see which category takes the most space. And unfortunately, there is not much that we can do with some sort of automation. There are no automation options that allow you to just quickly get rid of stuff. What you can do is you can go through these categories and then you can decide if there is anything that you don't need to keep anymore. So if you have like lots of images and videos that you don't really need anymore, then you can of course open these images and photos and everything else, and you can just remove them. Delete them from your phone. Of course, at first they will be moved to trash, so then you also need to remove them from trash if you are certain that you won't need them anymore. But this is how it looks like. There is also this free up space option, which tells you to go to Files app to manage and free up space. So of course we can go over here and do so. So if you open the Files app, then in that case we can tap over here in the top left corner on the hamburger icon, the menu icon, and then over here we have the clean option. So this is just one of the ways to get rid of certain files, to get some suggestions actually. So in here we can find duplicates, which you can of course select and then remove. You might also find some additional suggestions in here. But also we have the trash that I mentioned, so we can select everything that we have in trash and we can delete it forever, permanently. And then we will get some space back. Of course, it is also worth going through apps that you have installed. Some of them can of course take lots of space. If you want to do that, then ideally you want to go to apps in the settings over here, and then we can tap on see all apps to open the whole list. I'm not sure if we can actually sort by the amount of space they take. I assume not. I cannot see anything like this. So, you know, you can go through these list of apps and then you can decide if there is something that you don't need anymore. You might also want to check out unused apps, because the phone might suggest you to delete something that was not used for a long time. And that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.